Yo, what's up, Peejay here. In today's video, we will have the smoke emission testing of our car. Okay, it's already time of the year na, kumbaga, that we should renew the registration of our ating mga sasakyan. Because if you check your plate numbers, yun talaga yung first is check your plate number kung ano yung ending niya. If it ends in 5 like mine, so 5 is May, ganun lang, January, February, March, April, May. So today is May, and yung second to the last number, mine is first 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, meaning first week dapat mag-process na kayo ng inyong renewal ng inyong car registration. So yun yung gagawin natin for today. Magpapa-smoke emission testing tayo because that is the number 1 requirement talaga so that we can renew our car registration. Yun, smoke emission testing. I think that's it. And then a copy of your OR and CR, of course. Bring that to the emission testing center and pay. That's it. And wait for the result of the printed emission testing of your car. And you are good to go. So for today, yung napili natin na emission testing center is in Lahug, yung JPV. I think that's the JPV emission testing because the last time I went there, konti lang yung tao, minimal lang yung tao, and malaki yung space. I mean, yung car parking space doon malaki, and yun, hindi masyadong siksikan, and medyo tago kasi yung location na yun. Kaya I think it's if you're looking for yung konti lang yung tao, I think JPV emission testing in Lahug, yun, ayos na ayos yun for you. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! And I'll show you kung ano yung steps na ginawa natin for today. Selamat, bos. So, nahuman na ta sa atong emission testing. Dali lang kaayo. It's so quick. Napakabilis lang. Maybe around 5 to 10 minutes and you're done. You just have to wait for the printed yung result ng emission test, and that's it. So, yun, if you are looking for a place na kung saan medyo konti lang yung tao, konti lang yung waiting time, I suggest yung JPV emission testing doon sa Lahug. Definitely, ayos dun yung lugar. There's a big parking space and yun, konti lang yung pila. Kaya yun yung napili natin. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. So, success tayo guys na pa-emission test na natin yung ating sasakyan for the renewal every year. Diba once a year kailangan natin every year kailangan natin i-renew yung car registration natin. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. My name again is Peejay. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe kayo. Hit the like button, comment down below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.